Hi guys! I am Nada from Indonesia.
I'm Takeshi from Japan.
And welcome to AP House!
So welcome to APU, the international dorm.
Yes, in AP House you can experience living together with people around the world.
3 houses are located on campus. AP House 1, AP House 2, and AP House 5.
Yes, and the first year students will stay here. So we cannot wait to see you guys.
Hi everyone, I'm Izzy and
I'm An, and today we're in front of our newest dorm in APU, AP House 5!
do you know how long it takes to reach the campus?
10-15 minutes like in AP House 1 and 2.
No, it's better than that because AP House 5 is already in the campus.
This is the AP House 5 lobby where residents can hang out together with their friends while playing the billiard and also the piano.
So this is the APU tennis court. Here, AP residents and circles can use this tennis court to play tennis or any other sport you can.
Hello everyone, my name is Phoebe and today I'm going to give you a tour of my room in AP House 5. Come inside! So when I got here, I didn't know what to expect, but it was all actually fully furnished. We've got the fridge right here, the desk, and we've got the bed as well. We've also got these 2 big shelves where I can put all my cooking utensils, my books, some extra clothes, things like that. We've got this pole hanger and another place for us to put our jackets because it's really cold here. I've got a shoe rack as well, and I think that's about it for the room tour, guys.
Every house has several buildings and each building has different room types, the single type and the shared type.
Need groceries? Don't worry. Here, inside of AP House 2, we have AP House Coffee Shop where you can find your needs.
You can also share your food with people around the world. Here in AP House, we have shared kitchen where we can cook together with your friends. We can also study together and hang out with friends. Here, there are lots of study rooms, meeting rooms, even ping pong tables. So you can do a lot of activities with your friends and having fun. You don't have to worry about being late to the class because we have bridge that connects AP House 1 and 2 to the campus. So now you already know all about AP House. For more details, please look out in our website in the description below.
Thank you for watching and
See you guys next year. Bye!